In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Among the various platforms available, Instagram has emerged as a powerful tool for businesses and influencers alike. With its user-friendly interface and massive user base, it offers immense potential to generate traffic and convert it into sales. However, mastering the art of Instagram marketing requires understanding the intricacies of one particular feature, Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories provide a unique opportunity for influencers to engage with their audience on a more personal level. This ephemeral content allows them to share moments from their daily lives or promote products in a way that feels authentic and relatable. But how do top influencers manage to dominate this platform? Let's delve deeper into their strategies. Consistency is key. One common trait among successful influencers is their commitment to consistency. Posting regularly on your Instagram stories ensures that you stay at the forefront of your followers' minds. By consistently sharing valuable content, whether it be behind-the-scenes footage or exclusive promotions, you can build trust with your audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Engage your audience. Engagement is crucial when it comes to building a loyal following on any social media platform, including Instagram Stories. Use features like polls, questions, stickers, or quizzes to encourage interaction with your audience. This not only boosts engagement but also provides valuable insights into what your followers want from you. Tell compelling stories. As humans, we are wired for storytelling. We crave narratives that resonate with us emotionally. To truly dominate Instagram Stories, focus on creating compelling stories that captivate your audience's attention from start to finish. Whether it's sharing personal experiences or showcasing customer success stories related to your product or service, make sure each story evokes emotion within your viewers. 4. Utilize Swipe Up feature. One of the most powerful features available to influencers with over 10,000 followers is the Swipe Up feature. This allows you to include links in your Instagram stories, directing your audience to external websites or product pages. By leveraging this feature effectively, you can drive traffic directly to your sales funnel and increase conversion rates. Collaborate with influencers. Collaborating with other influencers in your niche can significantly boost your reach and credibility on Instagram Stories. Partnering with like-minded individuals who share a similar target audience allows you to tap into their follower base and expose yourself to a new set of potential customers. Additionally, collaborating provides an opportunity for cross-promotion where both parties benefit from increased visibility. Use Instagram Story Highlights. Instagram Story Highlights are a valuable tool that enables you to showcase important content beyond its 24-hour lifespan. Create highlights that align with different aspects of your business or personal brand, such as product tutorials, testimonials, or behind-the-scenes footage. By organizing your stories into highlights, you make it easier for new followers to explore and engage with the content that resonates most with them. In conclusion, mastering Instagram Stories is essential for influencers looking to generate massive traffic and convert it into sales successfully. Consistency in posting quality content coupled with engaging storytelling will help build trust among followers while driving engagement levels higher than ever before. Utilizing features like swipe up links and collaborating strategically will ensure maximum exposure within relevant audiences. By incorporating these strategies into their Instagram marketing efforts, top influencers have been able to dominate this platform successfully, generating not only massive traffic but also converting it into tangible results such as increased sales and brand loyalty. So why wait? Start implementing these techniques today and take advantage of the incredible opportunities presented by Instagram Stories.